Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. We're kind of getting a late start to the day today. Layla was up all night, just like ready to party. I don't know what her deal was. I was trying to think about what she ate because she was like up and just hanging out until like 1 in the morning. So then she ended up sleeping in until 11, like 11:30. We played outside for a little while and now we are getting ready to make some muffins. And I wish I were making them from scratch, but I'm not. We're just making these. And I'm making Winston wash his hands. He washed his hands and then he picked his nose. And so now he's washing his hands again. Are you ready, buddy? Yeah. So no one wants boogers in their muffins. Hi.
What's up?
Hi, ready to make some muffins, you two? Yep. Yep, Layla, did you do that? Toilet paper, unraveled. I think this was the one. You didn't? Did you do that? Yeah? Okay, you wanna help with the muffins too?
I didn't do it.
Okay. The muffins are done and the kiddos are eating them. Watching some toys. So loud. Cage is leaving me.
Guess what I have?
What?
Wait. Okay, I'm
Cold
not wearing
Camelot?
my pants, but I have short sleeves.
Okay, we're clarifying.
Look at this.
Cager's going hunting with Casey. That's very cool.
And I get to shoot my first big game animal.
Very cool. Feed us for the winter, huh?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, we'll miss you.
Love
Good
you.
luck.
Bye.
Saying bye to our boys, only for the night. I'll be back tomorrow.
Maybe Friday.
What?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
You're gonna be gone until Friday?
Well, we'll stop by, yeah.
He'll stop by?
We'll be close.
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yeah.
Okay,
We'll
well,
see how it goes.
okay.
Or Thursday.
Good luck.
Alright.
Loves you. Bye-bye. We are going to go to Utah and get our nails done again. I know that seems silly. Casey's always like, you're really gonna go all the way to Utah to get your nails done? But my mom is so good and we love seeing her, of course. So it's just a lot of good things that happen and that's why we go, because she's really good at nails. We get to see her, we get to see Grandpa, and I'm gonna do her hair. Whoa. Wait, Layla's taking my clothes off. What? What do you want? You wanna go see Grammy Sammy? Wanna go see Grandma? Yeah. Layla's ready for Halloween. Her spooky cat shirt. I wore my hair straight yesterday and today and I feel like I look so different. It feels weird to me. And it's raining, which isn't good because my hair is wavy, so hopefully we don't get stuck in the rain. I don't know why we would. We're getting ready to go to Utah, but I just wanted to come in the pantry. You know, when you get something new and it's like, this is so exciting, and you want to just like keep looking at it. And they did the shiplap wall today, right here. And I think it's about ready to be painted, which is really exciting and fun. Originally, when we laid out this design, we were going to do a small fridge here, smaller than the standard, but like taller, so it would have went like up to here. And then we were gonna start the countertop here, do lighting here, shelves underneath, and then just have this countertop. But what we've decided to do now is to get a mini fridge and extend the countertop all the way across here so that it's just like more countertop space. And so we'll still do the lighting here, and then I'm going to do wood shelving here. And then I have a little ice maker, and then we'll still have all of this countertop to leave out like the toaster and other small appliances that we use every day. I'm also making some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. You guys should follow me on Instagram because I should like to share recipes and things like that in my stories. Uh-oh, did you bonk your chin?
Did you
Have a little bonky?
Let's look. Look at my hair.
Disgusting. What is that?
Look, those 6 though.
That's so gross. The fit is back out and
Start it.
in the way. What are you doing? Braylee takes like 9,000 Snapchat pictures on my phone because she doesn't have her phone. Oh, let's see that one.
Let's take a picture and then have them go watch the video when it goes up.
Go watch the video.
So let's have the camera be in it.
Oh,
Not this picture though.
okay. Okay.
Me too.
Why isn't it working? That's weird.
Hi.
What the H?
It only likes one of us. Do you have to hold it the other way?
Ah! Dumb cat. Just kidding.
Yeah. I don't like that picture. I won't post it. Let's do a different one.
This one? I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. I probably won't post that either, honestly.
I'll post it for you.
Yeah, really likes to post Snapchat pictures. What's on your shirt? Say meow. Meow. Good job. The cookies are almost done. They're so good. I will eat all of them pretty much because I like them the most. I'm gonna check them with a toothpick. They're really easy. I did make a video last year. I can't remember what it's called. Like probably like the easiest pumpkin cookie recipe or something like that. Okay, let's check them out. Those cookies should probably be like half that size, so they have to cook longer. They're not done. And I just want one so bad. I should eat like a giant salad so that I don't want to eat 19 cookies. But then it's like sometimes maybe you should just have like 5 really big cookies. Life is about balance. Right?
Are we going to Utah?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Utah. I'm just kind of like just wondering if we should because it will be a late night. And it's raining. Casey said it could possibly snow. I just don't want the roads to be icy. We're gonna go hang out with our boyfriend. These are so good, you guys. I've already eaten 2 and a piece and I'm leaving. I'm not taking these with me or I'll eat them all. They're just so good. You want them? I decided that we'll go to Utah. We really need our nails done. My mom needs her hair done. It's her anniversary this weekend. Got it. And so I want her to have her hair done for her anniversary. I don't know what they're doing. I'm excited to talk to her. It feels like I haven't seen her for a long time. So I'm excited to catch up. Yeah. Hopefully I remember to film while we're in Utah this time.
Alright, so we ended up going to Utah for sure. And I just got my nails finished. Focus. Please tap that.
Back them up a little. Yeah, there.
Alrighty. So it's like a maroon matte color with white leaves that are filled in with gold.
So cute.
And I got them for fall, kind of, and because I wanted to.
I did nude because I like nude and fall and stuff. That was my phone.
And the kids are just watching some YouTube, you know, the usual. Yeah, that is what is going on here in the Chada's house. Hi, Grandma.
Hello, what's doing our nails? My old lady.
Everyone's always like, why are you going to Utah to get your nails done? I'm like, because the best person knows somewhere.
Yeah, Winston's doing my hair.
I know.
I just did my mom's hair. Just got foils in. And we're gonna head home. You're responsible for this hair color. Yes.
If I fall asleep in it.
Yeah. This is nice though, Winston. I like this.
It's wrong.
Yeah. You guys ready to go home?
Not yet.
Oh, Layla wants to do my hair. Here's this clip. Oh, okay. Rude.